Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we will unbox the IC300001 0 to 32% Sugar Refractometer. Brix refractometers, which are also called sugar refractometers, are commonly used in the food and beverage, agriculture and wine industries. The benefits of this analog model are that it is lightweight and portable, calibrates easily with distilled water and is battery free. In the box is a pouch for storing and transporting the refractometer, a calibration screwdriver, a cleaning cloth, distilled water for calibrating, a plastic pipette, an instruction booklet with operating and calibrating procedures, and the refractometer with the eyepiece, easy grip design, calibration screw, a plastic cover over the prism, and 2 feet on the bottom to stop the device from rolling. And that's what's in the box for the IC300001. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.